Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new video. Quick update here about the Alpha Brain. I've been taking Onnit's Alpha Brain for over 2 years, almost every single day, and I've achieved nothing but benefit from doing so. The reason I'm making this video is because over the past 6 months, a large handful of people have asked, can you take this every day? How long have you taken it? What are your results? What are your opinions? So when I have it around, I take it every day, you guys. I take Onnit's Alpha Brain, either the regular formula, also known as the original formula, as well as the black label. And the Onnit Alpha Brain black label is much more expensive than the regular formula, but it has a handful of its own unique benefits. So I like to cycle between the two of them. So before we continue, if you want to try this product, you guys, scroll down to the links in the description box and click the links. There's 3 separate links where you can get a free bottle of a different Onnit product directly from me. All you have to do is pay the shipping. So some people have said, oh, what are you talking about? It's not free, Brandon. You still have to pay shipping. What the fuck, Sacred Serpent? Well, $5 shipping compared to almost $40 for the product in store is a pretty damn good deal, right? So you can also bundle these free packages together to minimize the shipping costs. So if you want to go in the links in the description box, click all 3 of them, add them to your cart, and when you check out, the shipping will be considerably less than $5 for each product if you get them by themselves. See what I'm saying? So it's like, I don't know why people haven't tried this. I really don't. You'd have to be a fool not to take advantage of this offer and get yourself a free bottle. So a bottle of Alpha Brain, you guys, has enough in it for 15 days straight if you take 2 capsules a day. You can, however, get away with taking 1. In fact, for some people, taking 1 works better than taking 2. Sometimes less is indeed more. This is a powerful blend of different brain nourishing constituents, folks. Things such as, but not limited to, phosphatidylserine, Huperzia serrata, Huperzine A. I always have a trouble pronouncing that one. It's got alpha GPC in it, Bacopa monnieri brahmi, cat's claw extract. This particular product works incredibly well for boosting cognition, increasing verbal fluency, increasing your working memory, long and short-term memory. The stuff is incredible. It's also been tested and shown to work in studies. How many supplements in your supplement collection, how many can you say have been put through rigorous testing? Not many of them. So I take it every day. I have for over 2 years. Again, there's been a few days where I've missed here and there, catch my drift. But for the most part, this is incredibly safe, you guys. I don't know why people are worried about, oh, can I take it every day? I've took it 3 days in a row. Am I going to be okay? These are the types of comments I get, right? People have no problem eating all the garbage food, doing all the bad shit, but when it comes to a health food or a supplement, suddenly they question themselves constantly. I've noticed this over the years with people. It's a very bizarre form of behavior. Do what works for you, you guys, and I can almost guarantee you, if you start taking the Alpha Brain, it's going to work for you. Works for me. If it works for me, there's a good chance it's going to work for you. And this particular product has got so many good reviews across the board since it was originally formulated. So this is a very synergistic blend of cognitive boosting constituents, both supplemental and natural. There are other products on the market that are similar to this, but they're not as good. So if you can afford the Alpha Brain, get on the Alpha Brain and take advantage of the free trials below. There's a free trial for Alpha Brain. There's a free trial for Total Human on its full comprehensive multivitamin, multimineral. There's also a link or in the description box below for a trial of Onnit's New Mood. And I've also included a link for free shipping. So, I mean, come on, guys. Trying to help people out, trying to give you a free bottle of this stuff so you can experience the magic, and in doing so, improve your life. Again, people say, oh, it's so expensive. I agree, it is expensive, but in comparison to everything else that you do in your life, do you really think you can't invest or make room for a product like this? It's expensive, but it's not that expensive. Anyone can come up with the money for a bottle of Alpha Brain every month if they wanted to. if they wanted to. It's all about priorities. So this is a 10 out of 10 product. I've been taking this for over 2 years. Nothing but benefit. Nothing but benefit. And it works great in tandem with Onnit's key minerals. Works great in tandem with just regular shilajit extract. Raw shilajit works great with the medicinal mushrooms. This is an integral part of my health protocol. So try it out. Onnit's Alpha Brain, 10 out of 10. The product has impeccable R&D, great customer service, and excellent raw materials. There's a reason why you can feel Onnit's products when you take them. It's because quality and care has been put into them. Imagine that, something that's extinct across the board here in the Matrix. Peace be with you.